Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. I know I'm having a wonderful Sunday. We just hit 50 subscribers a couple days ago. So today, we're gonna be doing our 50 subscriber special. And for the special, we're gonna be giving away this flashlight to one of you viewers. All you have to do is make sure you like and subscribe and comment down in this video, flashlight. That's all you gotta do, comment flashlight. I'm gonna be making a couple posts on all my social media so that everybody has a chance to win. And you may be wondering, why this flashlight? Well, in one of my previous videos called Let's Go Fast Episode 2, for the Corvette, while I was working, I found my old flashlight stuck to the bottom of this car that I had been missing for a year. And I clipped that and I put it on YouTube, and it's my most viral video yet. It only has 28,000 views. But I'm glad it got out there. But a lot of people told me that there was no way that that flashlight had been missing for a year. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking one of these flashlights, sticking it to the bottom of my car, because there's a magnet, and we're gonna be hitting those railroad tracks and seeing how many times we can drive over the railroad tracks before this flashlight falls off. And so in honor of that, we're gonna be giving one of these away to one of you viewers, just to say thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I am so glad and excited to see where this channel is going. So here we are, we're at Harbor Freight. If you can't see it in the background, I just picked up the flashlight. We're gonna give it about 7 days, okay? And then after 7 days of this video posting, we're gonna randomly pick a commenter. We're gonna use a website or something to figure that out, and then we're gonna ship it to you. I'll message and we'll look for details. But without further ado, let's jump into this video and start running over those railroad tracks. Okay, so the first part of this should be really easy. This was stuck just like this. Ready? No glue, nothing. Just make sure there's no metal bits on it. Just like that. You can hear how loud that clicked, right? That's a pretty strong magnet. Now, the thing I'm concerned about is zip tying this somehow, like that. Got our phone all hooked up here. Zip tie galore. We have these two zip ties holding it on tightly, and then this is my safety net, so if it should fall out, this is really tight on the phone, it'll catch and just kind of dangle here. So we're going to get this started, hit the road, and start counting how many times we can hit the railroad tracks. All right guys, I hope you got a good view over there. Here we go. Get out of this driveway. I'll have to keep my eye on the gas gauge because I'm kind of running low. I should have started the cameras once we got to the place. I might do that actually. That was a hard hit. I hope I still got my phone. Oh no. There's cops. Dang it. Right on the railroad tracks. What in the world? It's definitely going to be suspicious if I drive up and down this 20 times. Well, I guess we can drive over a couple times and see what the flashlight does. Why? Huh. Interesting. Well, that's not fun. Okay. Guess we're gonna stop at Menards and make sure the camera and light are still there. Woo! Alright guys, let's go see if the stuff's still there. Alright, phone's still recording. Flashlight's still there. I don't know, I guess we go find some other railroad tracks. I don't know, what do you guys think? Make sure the mic's still on. Alright, well, I don't know. We'll figure something out. It is what it is, right? Maybe we can do a hard bump counter, because on the other road, they have it all torn up. Maybe we can do a hard bump counter, because not only is there the railroad tracks, on the other road where there's more railroad tracks, they have the road torn up. So I think that's what we're going to do. We'll swing back around. That was easy. This Corvette goes over those like butter. I am really curious as to why there's cops. Do you see how slow these people are driving over these tracks? I think we're gonna pop a U-turn. Oh, here's another bump. What is up with all these cops today? Man. Anytime I try to do something fun. Alright, here's another one. We're gonna say 20, 30 miles an hour. Ooh. Ooh. This is hard on my car. Now, the good news is that these road markings are much harder than the railroad tracks we would have been going over. So I'm pretty pleased with it so far. We're going to hit this. We're going to turn around one more time, and then we're going to go back home, see if the light's still on, and I would consider this a success. Good job, Harbor Freight. Here we go. Flashlight's still on. We're gonna go see if this light is still on the car. I'm really hoping the phone's still under the car. I hope the light's still under the car. You know, I hope one day we go viral. I hope there's a ton of viewers. I hope I make good videos for you guys. But with that comes comments, and not all comments are good comments. That's just part of it. All right. Thank you. Another comment. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go check and see if The light and camera are still under the car. All right, see a phone? And there's the light, still there. Of course it's gonna work. Look at that. Okay guys, that just about does it for this video. We retrieved the phone from under the car. As you can see, it's a little dusty, but this survived. The flashlight survived, it's doing good. And as you can see, we have the flashlight that we're gonna be giving away to one of you guys. Remember, comment down below, flashlight, make sure you like and subscribe. And look, we're running a deal at Harbor Freight. If you spent, I don't know, a certain amount of money, if you're in the Inside Track Club, you got some free wrenches. So I think we'll give some of these away too. If you want wrenches, comment wrench down below in a separate comment. We gotta get that algorithm moving. We gotta get more interaction so that we can do more stuff with this car. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for helping me hit 50 subscribers, and we'll see you in the next video.